Hey guys, today I'll show you how to exit Waze on your iPhone. Let's get started. If you just want to stop navigation, open the Waze app while your route is active. Tap the ETA bar at the bottom of the screen. Then tap Stop to end your current trip. Waze will return to the main map. If you want to completely close the app, swipe up from the bottom of your iPhone screen and pause in the middle to open the app switcher. If your iPhone has a home button, double press it instead. Find the Waze app, then swipe it up to close it completely. The next time you open Waze, it will launch normally and you can start a new route whenever you're ready. And that's how to exit Waze on your iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.